Hey guys, so today I thought, oh, this one. Okay, now we're good. Tonight, we are gonna do a little get ready with me. I am going out to celebrate a birthday, and if you know me, I love to celebrate birthdays. So, let's do this. Take this down. I used to be a doubter of these, but you know what? It really does help. My hair is almost dry. It's pretty amazing. First, I'm gonna prep my hair. My hair really did get light with that Way Son of a Beach spray. Like, for real. So now I'm just gonna throw some oil. As you can see, my ends are very dry, per usual. So I'm gonna use this Ritual Hair Oil by Playa. I love when I like this. And these Playa products, they smell kind of like lavabo-y. I don't know, it smells so nice. Very luxe. Now I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't have any oil, so I can move on to my skincare. So I'm gonna tone my face. My beloved Fresh Toner. Let that absorb. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use this. It's called Dr. Frog. I freaking love this, you guys. It's like one of my favorite finds of the year, I have to say. I'm gonna prime my face first with the Wet n Wild Face Primer Photo Focus. So I'm just gonna put it here just so that my makeup can last all night. I feel like I should Postmate something to eat. Oof, I'm so hungry and I haven't ate all day, you guys. So then I really want to have a more luminous base per usual. So I'm gonna use the Strobe Cream by MAC. This is like my trusty little baby. I love this one. And this is just in the original color, I guess. See what they have going on Uber Eats. Okay, we got some tacos coming. I'm good. Moving on to my foundation, I'm gonna try this new foundation by Christian Dior. Let's try it. Ooh. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm so scared, you guys. This is so cool. You can also take it like on a brush. Like that, and you get some coverage. It just kind of sets itself, the foundation. Huh. Wow. I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm gonna use this one by Milk. Brighten up under here a little bit, and down the nose a bit. Beauty blender. Let's try to comb some of this foundation out of my brows. I have to get them done. They're a bit wild and you can really see the scars. So, gotta handle that, you know what I mean? I bet you I'm gonna finish my makeup before the tacos come. I get ready so fast. So for my eyes first, I'm gonna take this Nude Sticks color. It's called Terra. And it's just like a really neutral, warm color. And I'm just gonna use that as my base. I actually kind of want to do my contour really quick. I got excited. I'm going to use this by Charlotte Tilbury. I love these. Oof, look, I forgot to close it and so much product came out. So I'm going to actually use it with a brush. So I'm just going to take some of this product since there's so much excess. And I'm just going to cut some cheekbones here. I'm just going to stipple it out. And then I'm also just going to quickly add the first layer of highlight. I'm going to layer a few. So first is this one. Just going to take my finger. Now I'm going to take this pigment. I like jump around all the time. That's just how I do. So I'm going to take this eye pigment by Milk and just layer that on top. And I'm going to use this lip brush with it. We're gonna let that dry so that it doesn't crease. Kind of just do this, tilt your head back. It's a beautiful angle. For my powder, I'm gonna use this by Mercier. It's just like a very sheer powder. It looks like there's color, but honestly it's very, very sheer. Just kind of gives you some radiance while still setting it like a powder. I don't really like to look too powdery, but since I'm going out, I am gonna apply powder all over so that everything stays. I'm gonna take this shadow here. It's called Pretty Luckily and it's by Colourpop. It's their Super Shock. And I'm just gonna take that on the synthetic brush and just kind of deepen the crease here to give me a little bit of dimension. This is like my go-to eye, really. So I got these really cool glitter pigments by Bodyography. This one is in the shade Sparkler, and they're made in Korea, and I just love Korean formulations. I don't know, I just feel like their aesthetic is very much what I like, so I'm into it. Just tapping it. It kind of reminds me of the Crystal Top Coat by Natasha Denona. Can you guys see that? So now I'm going to take this blush. It's called Quarters, and it's a Super Shock Chic by Super Shock Cheek by Colourpop. So now I'm going to take a powder bronzer. I'm taking this one by Too Faced. So to make it a little more fun, instead of using glitter, I'm going to use the Festival palette. So I'm going to use this Dusk Teal color. Just going to go in with a little bit of darker contour from the Smashbox, something a bit more gray, just to chisel out here. And then I'm going to hit my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Spray. I feel like I'm feeling a bit matte. And I get my milk one. I'm gonna make the liner a bit deeper with this by Rimmel. It's really cool, I love these. Mascara on the bottom lashes. For highlight, I'm gonna use this guy from Fenty, color Hustler Baby. Sometimes I just go like this and do both. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna see what this looks like. This is the Huda Venus. This formula is one of the best that I've tried. So comfortable, it's not cracking on me, like my lips look smooth, freaking love it. But I'm gonna use this gloss. This is the Katy Perry lip gloss, and this is in the shade Cantaloupe. My hair is all air dried now. So I'm gonna leave my hair very messy and still have a lot of texture. I'm gonna add this product, Playa. It's the Endless Summer Spray. It smells so freaking bomb, and it's just gonna give me a little more texture. You guys will see the texture that it gives me. It doesn't smell like pina colada or anything, but it smells kind of like vacation vibes in like the most chicest, richest luxe kind of way. Once the mist dries, it's gonna have that really nice texture that I love. So this is my hair. I really love like the lazy wave texture, kind of like beachy vibe that it gives, but my tacos are here. A waste of lip gloss. I had to hook myself up, guys. Why are you eating in the bathroom? But honestly, multitasking. So I am dressed. I ended up going, I always wear the same thing, you guys. I am such an outfit repeater, but you know, when you like what you like, and I actually don't really shop that often. So I put on these earrings just to like peek through a bit, you know? I like to have this a bit messy. I know you guys are always like, why do you want to look like you rolled out of bed? But you know, to each his own. So that is my vibe tonight. I'm like right on time. I'm so good. I'm sorry. I have the best time management. That is my superpower, I think. I ended up going with this one. Did I show you guys this? It's because my camera decided to not have memory. I hope you had fun getting ready with me. I am off to celebrate a birthday. I need to wrap her gift actually, so I thought I was on time, but gotta speed things up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.